this is Corey from Taurus Craco Machinery. Here behind me is the Alberti T-Flight, manufactured out of Italy. Essentially, this is a machine that's going to do all your vertical and horizontal drilling. It's also capable of doing notching and grooving. It's a great partnership if you want to pair it up with a CNC and you don't want to tie up your CNC doing all your drilling. This machine is going to take care of everything for your needs. Come check it out at Taurus Craco Machinery today.